Hi, good afternoon guys, it's James from Motorhome Retrofit. So today we've done an awesome retrofit. This is a 70 plate 2021 Benimar. It's a slide door conversion, professionally converted, and this customer along with a few others have asked for some side steps. So the van turned up like this and now it's going to go home like this. So basically all we've done is we've been in touch with a professional manufacturer. They get all the measurements and specifications off us, whether it's a sliding door conversion, whether it's a coach built, or whether it's just a van, and they produce the steps and the framework so that we then fit them. Drilling in with bolts and tech screws and everything else to make sure that this is nice and secure. So the reason for this is because it's quite a big drop when you open the driver or the passenger door, quite a big drop down from the seat, and we have seen people actually stumble out of there before, so that now removes all danger point and gives you an access step up. So in the next part of the video we'll have the door open and then Matthew will film me looking up and jumping up onto the step and show you how it works. Right, so we're first of all doing the driver's side. Here's the step, there's no movement, it's in, it's fitted, and we've adjusted the step for it to go left and right so that it's dead center on the side of the vehicle, like so. Now, because the vehicle orientation is always going to be slightly nose down, this step is simple enough. You're going to put your foot up on the step. It seems silly telling you how to get into a van, but foot step on there like so, and you can just put all your weight on here. I'm 13.5 stone, I've got all my weight on this step here. It's just a van moving, nothing else. So you can step up into the van, and then when you want to come out of the van, passenger side or driver side, and we'll do a video for both just to show you, is you can just slide down, put your heel onto the step and let yourself down like so. And I'll jump on around to the passenger side, do the same thing. Okay, same on the passenger side. So, simple but effective. We've got FIAT Ducato specific side steps for the front. They're not for the side, not for the back, they're just for the front. That's how they've been designed, fabricated. Supplied and fitted, come with 2 years warranty, supplied and fitted here in Poole in Dorset, and this is fantastic whether you've got a slide van conversion, slide door conversion, whether you've got a coach built. If you want good quality, good looking side steps for the front of your van, get in touch with us. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Anybody that drives a motorhome or camper van like this, get in touch with us, and then you can come down and we can do the work for you. We can do supply only, but it does need a competent engineer to fit them and drill the holes and make sure that the brackets fit well as well. Sorry for the noisy seagulls if you can't hear them over the music, but we are very much near the coast. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.